In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to image in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm going on Google, then here type I love PDF. This is very easy drag and drop website. You don't need login and you don't need sign up. You don't need spend any single money here. Just open this website. You can see PDF to JPG. Just click here, then select your PDF file. Like your purpose, I select this one, then click on open. Sorry, this is lock, so I'm trying to another one. Again purpose this one. Okay, and now you can see this is a 51 KB and 2 pages. Now just click on convert JPG and it's click on downloads. It's maybe download to zip file, because when you have a multiple pages, it's going to download zip file and you need to unzip from your PC. You can see, oh, it's already download to zip file, so you need to unzip this file. Now click on the right, then click on extract file, then again click on OK. That's it. My work are done. So you can see this is a folder I love PDF. Then here are the 2 pages, number one this one, and number two this one. So this is a method how you can convert PDF to JPG or PNG as well using this website. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.